Welcome to Quick Education. Today we will talk about the state bird and animal of Delhi. The state bird of Delhi is the capital of India, is the little house sparrow. In the last 20 years, the number of sparrows have dwindled down due to urbanization, use of pesticides in the fields, and different style of making or constructing buildings, which does not allow the little sparrow to make its nest. Delhiites, please allow the little sparrow to make its nest. Give a little space to her. Now let's talk about the state animal. It is the blue bull or nilgai, a kind of antelope.